Hi guys, so I built out a new feature called the questions feature in my application, and the key about this feature is that it allows you to visualize the algorithm that you want for each particular question. So the function here is match, and this is the question wildcard matching. This is the title, so it's LeetCode44 wildcard matching, and this is the algorithm. Now it looks quite scary, right? And what you can do is you can scroll down and you can read what's happening here. So this is the local variable objects at this particular line of code, and after calling it, this is what happens to the local variable objects. And as you scroll down, um, it's still this line of code executes, and then you get this set of local variable objects. So you can see Sn and Pn were formed. This is the line of code, and then this is what happens. Then this is the line of code, and you would expect to see this being formed. And then because this is none, you don't show it in the next round. But then you enter the for loop, you enter the if statement, it hits the if statement, si plus equals to 1, and you can see in this si equals to 1. So you can see as you scroll down the algorithm what's happening, and then you will understand when you reach the end what's going on. So if you want to hide it, you scroll back up to the top, you remove the visuals, then you click get visuals for the next one. And again, another question 135 candy, you can go read it yourself, and then you can maybe see this algorithm. You might find it a little bit difficult to understand, but once you scroll down and you read through what's going on at each line, you'll start to see how the data is being transformed and how things work. Now, if you have your own question that you want to submit, you can just click create question, and in this case I'll just use this example, LeetCode 87 scramble string, just a random one I pulled up, and I can just paste the question name here, and then you can paste the question description here, and you can submit your question, and you can go back to questions. You can also click here to go to questions, right? And then you'll see the question here. Now when I click at visuals, there's nothing inside because there's no question. There are no solutions for this yet, but if you submit a question here, I will go and find an algorithm for you, and I'll find as many as you want, and I will post the visualized versions of the algorithm to this website, and then you can check it when you have the time. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. I hope you learned a lot from reading through these visualizations of an algorithm's local variable changes. Oh, and do keep in mind that all the solutions here will also only be in Python, because that's the only language that visualizes the algorithm local variables changing at each line of code using sys.setTrace. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.